Hey! Get back here! That's Christian's piggy bank. Aw, too slow. Hey! I want to be Spiderman. Spiderman gummy worms. Wow! I turned into Spiderman. Now I can catch that zombie. You're under arrest. Go to jail and stay there. I'll go put this back. I'll put it back and I'll tell Chris that's here. Oh no, it's gone! Don't worry, you can be a superhero. Put your coin in here. Kristen, which one do you want? I press this. Okay. Wow, Giovanni, don't hit me! No! I know what to do. 3, 2, 1. Go to jail. Put this back. I'm gonna tell Dad.
I'm gonna take this. Uh-oh, gotta go. All right, it's... Huh? Robber, hey, get back here. Oh no, I'm too slow. I can turn into a superhero. Wait 1 second. Put in the coin. I want Batman.
Bonk.
Batman. Wow, Batman cookies. Let's eat one. Oh. Yeah, I'm Batman. Let's go fight that criminal.
It's time for a prison break. Get that piggy bank!
Oh no! All the bad guys got away! We gotta fight him, little Spider-Man! Uh-oh! He's shooting lasers! Duck! Ah, this way! Duck! You can't hit us! Ah! He's throwing pizzas! Duck! Jump! You didn't get us! Ah! More lasers! Duck! Deflect! Now take Spider-Man's web! I think you need more webs. Yeah, I will take my punch! Uh-oh. I think we need a little help. Oh, yeah! It's Baby Hulk! Punch the ground, Baby Hulk! Yeah! We got him! Good job, little superheroes! We got the piggy bank back. Now let's play cops and robbers in the cardboard prison. I'm innocent, police officer. I didn't do it.
Me too.
That's what they all say. Let's get us snacks, baby policeman.
Okay.
Oh, we're never gonna get out of here. Huh? Look at that. He's sleeping. Your lock is 6 and my lock is 4.
I have the key. Let's see. Yay!
Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's go through the door now. Okay, let's crawl out through here. Huh? Ew, yucky bugs.
I'm not afraid.
Oh, it's so yucky. Huh? Spiders? No, get out of here. Okay, we're out of here. Okay. No!
Baby policeman, where are the prisoners? Baby policeman, you fell asleep? Baby policeman, wake up. Wake up, baby policeman. We gotta get the prisoners.
Look, little prisoner, we have to find key number 2.
Okay. Let's check in the slides. How about green slides? It looks like green tea cake. I'm gonna eat it.
Yucky, huh? Tree blocks?
Wow, it's so slimy.
Well, 6 tree blocks, but no key. Check the orange slime now. Oh, look, it's wood blocks.
We can make the tree.
Well, we've got a broken tree, but no key. Maybe it's in the pink slime.
I knew it. Check out one of our other videos and you'll find out that this is the most disgusting slime.
I found it. Ew. Okay, let's open the door.
Okay, we got all the slime off.
All right, open the door, little prisoner. Yeah! All right, go, before the policewoman comes.
Hello?
Oh, look, there's our way out. Come on. Okay, let's pick it up. It's stuck.
Dad, I think we need to solve the color puzzle.
Ha! Oh, I see. We can put the colorful balls in the colorful holes. First one's green. Next is yellow. Next is blue. Oh no, here come the cops. We gotta hide.
Oh no, so many bugs. Let's crawl fast. Go. Crawl. Go to the tunnel. Go. Go, oh no. Oh Oh no, they finished the slime puzzle and opened the door. Let's go get them. Go, let's go get them. Where are they, baby policeman? We gotta find them. We gotta find them, baby policeman. No, it's just a box. Let's go look somewhere else.
All right. We gotta be quiet. They might come back. Good job, little prisoner. Now we gotta put in the red one. Come on. Hey, the lock is open. Shh, let's go. Oh, centipede! Get away! Oh, run away! Go, 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 go! Come on, little prisoner!
Oh no, I hear them. They're over there. Oh no, he was under the box. Let's check on the hole.
Okay, little prisoner, we gotta go in! Oh, look, the cardboard prison's ending. We gotta go down the slide.
Okay. Safety first. Let's go. Dad, it's fun.
Now it's my turn. Safety first. Hello, freedom! Woohoo! That is fun!
Oh no, they went down the slide. Let's go follow them. Go! Good job, prisoners. Now you can be the policeman and protect baby mommy.
Good night, little heroes.
Good night, Papa Joe. Good night.
Huh? What's wrong?
Dad, there's a scary ghost at the window.
Huh? A scary ghost? I don't think there's any scary ghost. Let's go check.
What if it's a monster?
Don't be scared. I'll help you check. Come on, baby policeman. Okay, let's go. There's no such thing as monsters. There's no such thing as monsters. There's no such thing as... Huh? Baby rainbow ghost? Uh-oh, we gotta help him. Oh, let's help Pink carry the box. Come on, Pink, come on. Okay, pick it up.
I can't.
Okay, you got it? Let's go, come on, Pink. Yeah, that way. That's a strong fireman. Okay, go, go. That's a good fireman.
Yeah. I'm tired. I want to take a nap.
Okay. Aha. Good night again, little heroes.
Monster!
policeman?
Dad, I'm scared.
Huh? You're scared? Let's go see what's wrong. Here, put on your hat and be a brave policeman. Come on. Okay, baby policeman, let's look. There's no such thing as monsters. There's no such thing as monsters. There's no such thing as, huh? Oh, it's not a monster. It's the laundry with baby mommy. There was no monster here, baby policeman. I'll put this away.
Wow, we can finally sleep.
Dubby-dubby-dubby-dubby-dubby-dubby-dub. Huh? Mummy doctor, what's wrong? Oh, there's a monster in the closet? There's no monster in the closet. Let's go check. Come on. Okay, baby mummy, let's say it. There's no such thing as monsters. There's no such thing as monsters. There's no such... Huh? What's that? Huh? Oh, it's a toy car. And it's being driven by the green ghost. See, it wasn't scary at all. It was just the rainbow ghosts being helpful. Uh-oh, little policeman looks sick. We better get him a doctor.
Oh, let's have some snacks. Fanta. I wonder what would it taste like. Oh, it tastes soda-y.
It's Dr. Joel. Stop! You can't eat that. You're sick.
Huh?
Eating chips while you're sick and soda?
I think I'm feeling better.
We'll see about that. Let's take your temperature. Oh no, you have a fever. You can't eat any of this, or this, or this, or this, or this! Or this. You need healthy food, not this. You need to drink lots of water when you're sick.
Okay, Dr. Joel. Oh. Whoa. The doctor didn't know this. This time it's not barbecue. Ooh, steak chips. Wow, I've tasted those. So many chips. Oh, I also forgot. This bag of Pringles and this bag of Pringles. Let's eat.
Little policeman, no!
Oh no! Okay.
Little policeman, look at all this junk food. Where did you get this? No more junk food while you're sick. Give me those bags.
Okay.
You have to listen to the doctor. What is that? You have them behind your pillow, too. These are going away.
Oh, he just took over. like Pringles. I'm just going to take a nap. More.
Oh, good. It's good to sleep when you feel sick.
Desperate times for desperate measures. I've saved something down here. Coca-Cola. Okay. Yeah. In case of 2 people. Wow. Ah. Wow. Okay. That's all the eggs. Wow, these are netties. Haha, so yummy. Oh, and I also forgot something. I have one more thing. Ow. Ow. The giant cheese balls. Okay, am I about to eat this? I'll just save this for a great emergency.
Oh, policeman, I've got some health food for you.
Huh? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! 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 Stop! Come! Okay.
Huh. What is this, little policeman?
Oh, it's a monster under the bed. Don't worry about it.
We'll see what kind of monster this is. Looks like, huh? Cheese balls? This is a junk food monster. Coke? Chips? Candy? I told you you need to eat healthy things like fruits and vegetables.
But, Dr. Dad, that says cherry.
That doesn't count.
Aww, you got me.
Goodbye, cheese balls.
Aw, you got all my snacks. Chips, lollipops, candies. Huh? Who can that be? Whoa! So much candy! I just gotta pay you later, okay, baby king? Okay. Oh, I'll take all those Easter chocolates. Okay, I'll take all, I'll take all the lollipops. I hope you won't be surprised, baby king, that I am going to buy all of your candies. Not this. I'll take the whole entire bag. Oh, I'll take all of the chips. You're not going to sell any? Okay. This cost... Thank you. You're welcome. Goodbye.
Ah, nice healthy chicken soup. Huh? What's happening over at the candy store? Little policeman, give it up. You've been caught.
Aw, I can't eat anything good when I'm upset.
Hey, that's not true. Let me show you what to do.
Okay.
Okay, wait right here and I'll bring you something nice and healthy.
Aw, I don't want to wait. Oh, I know. Hello? Zombie, give me all the junk food that you've got.
Huh?
Huh? Who's at the door? Huh? Zombie delivery man, what's this? Huh. Cheese balls and junk food? We'll see about that.
I can't wait to see my candy. Huh? This is not what I ordered.
But it's what you need.
Oh, so I can drink apple juice and eat oranges?
Yeah. Let's eat healthy food.
Okay. Now I feel better.
Great. Let's go play with these bugs.
Yeah.
Please, let's read about bugs. Okay, we can read this book. Wow, look, here are butterflies. And look, here are two beetles, baby king.
Wow.
They're fighting.
Wow.
And over here, it's a giant centipede. Ooh. Oh, and look over here. We can see it's a beetle, a bee, and a spider.
Oh.
Spiders are my friends. Come here. No, big spider. Ah! Uh-oh. All the bugs flew away. Spider, your friends flew all over the house.
Dad, don't worry. We have those bug catching nets.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go. And we can keep the bugs in these jars.
Yeah.
Ha ha ha. What bug is that, Albert?
That's a giant centipede.
I know what to do.
Oh, that's a...
We can use this net.
Wow. You scaredy cat. You. See? Easy. And you don't belong here. Let's take it into the jar.
Good job, Albert. I guess I'll put this back. Okay, one bug down.
Okay. Okay, it almost bite me. It didn't bite. Oh, phew, it didn't bite me. Wow, the centipede has lots of legs.
Ew. Let's go get the next bug.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the ladybugs. Let's go get them, boys. Chase, go. Hey, come back here, ladybugs. Come back, ladybugs. Wait, stop. Where are they? There they go. Get them, boys. I got one. Uh-oh, that one's flying away. Get it, boys.
Why that truck so little? Oh,
Come on, baby king, you can do it. Oh. Get the ladybugs, boys. Okay, go get it on the floor. Woohoo, we got the ladybugs. Let's go put it back.
yeah.
All right, boys, put the ladybugs in the bag.
Wow, this bug almost took me over.
Okay, caught them. Let's go get the beetles. I see the beetle at the top of the stairs. Huh? Where'd it go? Uh-oh, it's in the bedroom. Huh? Oh no! Good job, you got him, baby king. Ha ha ha! Oh, I see one over there. Let's get this beetle with the big pincers. Get in there. Ha! We got him. Albert, look over there.
Okay, I'm going to get him. Huh? Oh no! Oh, I didn't even know this beetle is so strong.
Oh no! I'll get you, Albert. Hold on. Whoa! I got you, Albert. Hey! You got him.
Yeah.
Let's put the beetle in the jar. Last one. Look, boys, we've got the ladybugs, the centipede, and the beetle. Oh, look, and I see the butterflies. Come over here.
Okay.
Oh. There's just 3 of them. Oh no! There's a lot more than 3 of them! There's too many of them!
I know what to do. I'll go get the book. Just in a minute. Butterflies, get in the book!
Oh, good thinking, Albert. Now we got all the bugs.
Dad, look under you.
Huh? Ah, spiders, run away!
Oh, spiders, oh no!
Let's go!
I like spiders.
Oh, good job, Baby King. Put the spiders in the jar. Don't miss this one.
Oh no.
Ah, yeah. Let's go put them over here.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, spiders. I'm gonna get the big one. I got you, spider.
Oh no, help me. Oh, Hannah, not that spider. He's our friend. I'm scared of these spiders. Ah.
Oh, sorry, spider.
Okay, let him go. Spider, you know what to do.
Yeah.
Arachnids and bugs are friends of mine. Now it's time to say goodbye. Okay, Albert, now you can go read your book.
I'm gonna go read it on the bed. I can't wait to read it. Dad, it's time for bed.
Okay, I just need to check these messages on my phone.
If you don't go back soon, you'll turn into a tired zombie.
Don't worry about me, Albert. I'll be fine.
Okay, fine. Dad, did you get enough sleep? Oh no! You've turned into a tired zombie! Go back to bed! Hey, come back here! No! Dad has not sleep and he turned into a zombie!
Don't be silly. Dad's at work. Go eat your cereal. Go.
I gotta make sure that zombie dad doesn't get in trouble. Dad, stop! You gotta look both ways before you cross the street! Hey, stop! I have to stop him. Dad, stop! Look left, look right. Look, there's a car!
Okay.
Dad, okay, now you can go. Whoa. Wow, taking care of zombie dad is really hard.
Okay, time for your nap. Baby Chris, put away your toys. Good boy. Come on, let's go. Oh, let's take a nap. No tired zombies. Oh no! He's a zombie!
James!
Uh-oh! He's running away!
it.
Chris, come back! Chris! No, Chris! That will make you even worse! Chris, no! That's too yucky!
Oh, zombie dad. Here's the yummy eyeballs. Come on. 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 Yummy eyeballs. Come on. Come on. Come on. I got Daddy Zombie here. Huh? Maybe Kane's a zombie. No, maybe Chris is a zombie.
Yes! He didn't take his nap and now he's a tired zombie and he just wants to eat gummies. Oh no, what do we do now?
I know what to do. We have to get the little doctor. Let's go help those zombies.
Yeah!
Just sit in the chair. Okay. Now we're gonna check your eyes. Now we're gonna check your ears. Okay. Now it's time to check your temperature. Huh? You have to take a nap. Christian, you take a nap. Okay, now Daddy Zombie goes to the chair. You look tired. You need a zombie potion. This is the zombie potions. It's only for dads because it is made out of cup.
Wow! That's good zombie potion! Hey, come here, little Chris, come here! We're not zombies anymore! You healed us! Yay! Huh? What's wrong with Mama?
I'm so tired.
Oh, don't worry. Mama, take a nap and we can play Minecraft. Yeah. Hey, Albert, you want to play Minecraft in real life?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, it's the water witch.
Yeah! I've got your mummy, Paw Patrol, and I'm taking him through the portal!
Oh no, there's no baby mummy here. We gotta go in the portal and get him. Whoa, what is this place, Albert?
I guess it's a giant maze.
Let's go inside.
Yeah.
Look, over there, I see the water witch.
I put your mummy in the center of the maze! You'll never find him alive!
Oh no! Oh no, this maze looks dangerous, Albert. But we gotta go in for baby mummy.
Yeah.
Wow, these walls are high, Albert. I wonder which way we go.
Dad, this slide says something.
What's it say? Huh, what's it say, Albert?
It says left is right and right has mobs.
Huh, what does that mean?
That means that there's zombies right over there.
Oh, we gotta fight them! Take out your sword! Okay, well, let's fight them!
Huh? Dad, I'm on top of the axe.
Huh, this maze is really big. Which way do we go?
Dad, I think it will go this way.
Okay, you know Minecraft better than me. Huh, whoa, there's a lot of hallways here. Huh, Well, which way do we go now, Albert?
I think it's this way.
Okay, well, let's go over there. Come on. Are you sure you know the right way, Albert?
Yeah?
Okay. Wow, we've been walking for a long time. Are you sure this is the right way, Albert?
Dad, I see a giant number 2.
Oh, I think we need to follow the numbers. Let's go that way. Hey, Albert, what do you see over there?
There's a big river. Come here. It's really nice.
It's a river?
Yeah, let's go swimming.
Are there any scary water mobs?
Don't worry. There's just dolphins and they're nice.
All right. Wow, I like swimming in Minecraft, and the dolphins are nice. Huh? What's that?
Oh, Dad, it's a talking dolphin.
Oh, hi, talking dolphin.
Hello, are you looking for the baby mummy? He's over the lava pit and at the center of the maze. It's over there. That way.
Wow, those were nice dolphins, Albert. I like them.
Dad, there's a lava pit and there's number 3.
Oh no, we have to parkour over it.
Dad, you go first. I know you can do it.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna need a running start for this one. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, go! Got it. Okay, second jump, easy. Okay, third jump, crouch a little and jump. All right, I got it. Oh, that green block's a little far. I need to go for this stone block. All right, I got it. Okay, that green block is far, but if I run, I think I can make it. Okay, run and jump. All right, I got it. Okay, over to this stone block. 1, 2, 3, go! All right, now I gotta get up to this stone block. Okay, let's jump up the stairs. Ready? 1. All right, another jump. Ready? 2. Good job. Another jump. Ready? 3. All right, one more. Ready? 4. Okay, now I gotta make it all the way down there. All right, we can do it. 1, 2, 3, go! All right, we made it. I just gotta get over to that block. Gotta jump up. This is not hard. I can do it. 1, 2, 3, go! All right, it's just a few more blocks. We're almost there. 1, 2, 3. All right, last jump. We can make it. All right, this way middle. This way home. This way middle. Huh. I'll call Albert and tell him to come back here. Albert, come on.
Dad, I turned myself into a Minecraft character by a potion. Now I'm gonna parkour. Okay, let me do this jump. Okay, woo, okay, whoa. Let me do that jump. Okay, let's be really careful right here. I'm gonna parkour. Okay, woo. Okay, let's do this. Okay, let me parkour right there. Okay, guys, you might be really confused, but I have to. It might look like I'm going up a staircase, but I actually need to jump through lava. So my dad can get a good angle. So woohoo! Okay, wow! Oh, let's say that I just didn't fall in the lava. Okay, I'm over there. This block. Okay. Wow! I'm back into a person now.
Wow, we made it through the lava.
Yeah.
And I think that hallway leads to the middle of the maze. So let's go. Wow, it's the middle of the maze. And look, there's baby mummy. And he's a Minecraft mummy. Don't worry, baby mummy. We'll get you out of there. Huh? It's the witch.
Yeah! I've got a potion that will trap you in Minecraft forever!
Oh no! Now Albert and I are trapped in Minecraft bodies. Watch this video you see on the screen next to help us get out of here.